I'm Jim. Can I ask you something? Are you into sports betting these days? With inflation rising all the time, we all need a side hustle, right? And ladies, are you constantly frustrated by worrying about bills, the rising cost of food and so on? Perhaps a little time spent investing in sports wagering may help to pay the bills. If you don't know the first thing about sports wagering, relax, it's very simple to learn. If this sounds interesting, please watch the rest of this short video while I explain. As you can see from this image, the Z-code system is head and shoulders above the rest. They make it so easy to invest, plus this system has an 87% success rate. There, you can see that the live game simulator at the Z-code site has an 87% success rate. With a winner like this, it won't take long to build up your nest egg, will it? But wait, that's not all. There are several free indicators that you can use inside the Z-code system, too. So, for all these reasons, doesn't it make sense to join the Z-code system today? Why not try out some of the free indicators on the link below? You don't need a credit card or pay anything, just try it out for yourself. Track the results over the next few days, and I think you'll be surprised at the results. What have you got to lose? Or you can just keep on doing what you've always been doing, and accomplishing what? Nothing. So go ahead, seriously, just try out these free indicators in your spare time, you'll be amazed with the results. Thanks for watching and have a great day.